Welcome to the channel. Remember to hit the like button and click subscribe to see the latest videos. Today we'll be showing you how the orange Marigold, product red and blue jay silicone cases with MagSafe look on the latest iPhone to help you decide which colour combination you like best out of the three. And for further information on the silicone case with MagSafe, check out our unboxing and review video. The Marigold silicone case with MagSafe. The Blue Jay silicone case with MagSafe. The product red silicone case with MagSafe. If you found this video helpful, please support us by giving the video a like and subscribing to the channel.